Hey guys, welcome to my channel Unusual Creates. Today we are going to do a very exciting project. I created this hallucinating, three-dimensional illusion creating quirky little art piece by using just 5 very basic items. I'm calling this project as Quilling with a Twist because it does involve some form of quilling but with some twisting and turning. So without further ado, let's start creating. I'm starting off by taking a piece of thermocol and finding the center of it. That way I know where I should start the whole thing. Here I'm using a discarded thermocol backing from a picture frame. You can totally use any kind of surface you want like a canvas, styrofoam or even drawing sheets. Next I used some black cardstock sheets in the weight 176 GSM and made thin strips out of them of 0.7 cm thickness. You can use a paper cutter like this or use a simple X-Acto knife to cut these strips. Then I placed the tip of the strip at the center of the thermocol and tried to make a wavy pattern with it, more like a slight S kind of structure. For making sure that the strip stays in the form you want, try to give a gentle pull to the strip along the length of the strip between your thumb and the index finger. That will give a slight bend to the paper. After having an idea of how much length I needed, I cut the extra off and then, using some Mod Podge or white glue on a thin brush, I pasted the strip perpendicular to the thermocol sheet. This might look difficult, but because the strips are thick enough, it is easier to make the strips stand on the sheet. I continued to stick the sheets upright on the thermocol in this form. Once the basic structure was made, I filled up the spaces between the strips with U-shaped strips. I made sure to measure each strip and cut them according to the length required and placed them above each other in the shape of the letter U. You can always shape the strips by pulling it along the length of the strip between your thumb and index finger. Once this was done, I used some gold paint on the thinnest brush that I had and painted the edges of the strip to give it a golden hue. This gold color on the top will give it some more dimension, especially when you're looking at it from different angles. Once the painting was over, my work was done. I loved the outcome of this project. I loved the fact that it was quite easy to make and took mainly 5 regular things to make this piece. Sometimes we forget that paper is quite a versatile material that we have around and can make so many things out of it. The total cost of making this project was just $5, which was basically the price I paid for getting the pack of sheets. I already had rest of the stuff with me. For a 12 by 12 length of a surface, I used just 2 sheets. Instead of getting a whole pack of sheets, you can totally get individual sheets and that would cost you not more than $1 and a few cents. This piece is really interesting since it creates an illusion of moving lines, especially when you move your head or look from different angles. Let me know what you guys think about this quirky little art piece. If you liked it, then don't forget to hit that like button. Also comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have already subscribed, then please click that bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you do not miss out on my future videos. That's it from me. I will talk to you guys soon with another interesting DIY artwork. Till then, Take care and stay safe.